don't matter, bro.
It don't matter.
He's still
in a real way.
He's still fighting. He's still fighting, bro. Don't be no poor sport, bro. You tapped out. Bro, you tapped out, bro. Don't be no poor sport. For real, bro. Don't be no poor sport. He's still fighting.
You don't box? He box? You box? You don't box? Do I look like I box? Do I look like I box? Does he look like he box? You watching, nigga. You a watcher. Nigga, you here in my event. What the fuck is you talking about?
Oh, shit.
YouTube, it's
God damn.
We here with the one and only. It's your Bradusky, Aaron
Bradusky.
In a real way, man. In a real way. We finna do last to get knocked out in Las Vegas. Winner get $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and shit, turn me up.
Hey, you ain't qualified if you don't like, comment, and subscribe in a real way. If you don't subscribe to Bradusky channel, I need that pay in a real way.
And you heard it here first. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm saying. Oh shit. We beefing already? Why didn't even start yet?
This is the same thing.
But look, it's an exhibition game. Like, it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Y'all really shouldn't even be fighting that hard. Like, y'all ain't got shit to prove. You know what I'm saying? Y'all fight.
We all agree on, wait, all fighters, we all agree on that? I believe I can see some of us in martial arts.
Somebody try to take my game.
It's a boxing bout. No trying here to hurt nobody at all. We all got somewhere to go and a lady to be with. Exactly. How do y'all feel about the martial arts? Y'all agree?
Shit, we don't got a boxing. We don't got a boxing. Shit, I'm not tripping.
All right. So, we boxing here. You know what I'm saying? A minute 30 a round, 3 rounds. The winner get 1,000. Aaron gonna be the second winner.
Shit, a little band?
Protect yourself at all times.
Oh, this finna be something for sure.
You know what I'm saying? Keep going until I say stop hitting. Once the round is over, it's over, man. Do not stop hitting, man. Y'all go in the corner, y'all touch gloves. It's all love, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna hit shit in a real way.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ready?
Round 1.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What the hell? Oh, damn.
Focus on your stamina. Come on.
1 minute.
Oh, shit. Shit was ultimate.
It's like literally the last
In a real way, man. That's what I like to see.
You'll see all the cars.
Come on, get busy.
Just touching. Let's go.
Get busy, man.
Good work. Good work.
Certified turtle.
Hands up.
30 seconds.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we nearly caught a straight punch.
Hands up.
15 seconds. 15 seconds. So everyone got 10. We need countdown. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6.
Oh, shit. You missed your ult. Charge it up. Oh, shit.
Good work. Good work. Put the guns down. Put the gloves up, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, win, lose, or draw, like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all.
Gotta catch them all. Ain't that right, Bradusky? In a real way.
Fight.
Mortal Kombat ass shit.
Gotta walk them down.
Yes. Literally, when you come all the way down, you turn left. You see it's straight up.
Ooh.
Come on. Get busy.
Shit.
That was a good one.
Get busy. All right. Get in that paint with it. Get in that paint with it.
Ooh, damn.
45 seconds.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Good one, too. Keep your hands up. Ooh, good.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Uh-oh.
Space. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good shit. Hey, bro, breathe. Stand up, bro. I'm talking to you like that. Make sure you breathe. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale out your mouth.
In a real way.
In a real way.
They getting jiggy, man. They getting busy. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no coward stuff going on. Gloves up, guns down, man. In a real way, though, man. You know what I'm saying? 2025, we bringing this real shit back, Jack. Put the hammers down and get jiggy, man. In a real way.
Keep your space.
You know what I'm saying? What's the time?
You got a couple more seconds.
Bro, I'm watching the video.
Ready?
Inhale in your nose, exhale out your mouth. For that.
You ready?
Alright, last round.
Last round. That's good. That's good. All right, everyone, they count. I protect yourself at all times. Do not stop. Do not stop. Do not stop.
Oh, shit.
Do not stop. Do not stop. Ring. Protect yourself at all times.
God damn. God damn. God damn.
We're going to hit him with a 10 count right here. Done again? 5, 6, 7, 8. You ready? 9. He done. It's over with. Good work. Great work.
He dehydrated himself.
Hey, good shit, little bro. Who hands is qualified, man? Who hands is qualified, man, for the $1,000 today, man?
Oh, shit. This might be a good one.
Okay.
Round 1. Fight.
Round 1. Brothers, y'all touch gloves. Protect yourself at all times. Do not stop hitting till I say stop, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get it in a real way. All right, y'all get jiggy.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Damn.
Get in there. You can't take them. You know
Oh, shit. Ooh.
Get jiggy, man.
Get on there. 1 minute. I'll do. Take your time. It's 8 minutes. That's 3 rounds. You winding that motherfucker up.
Oh, shit. Ooh. Duck. Oh, shit.
So you think you know Wix, but do you really? First up, we've got Shake Video Mask.
Get busy here, baby. In a real way.
Oh, shit.
In a real way. Good squabble. This is good squabble right here. Okay.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. 20.
Hit us with the 10-second count. Get busy. Come on, man. Get busy. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Switch it up. Body up. Go up.
For sure.
That's in woods and backwoods and gravelly is catching up to you, boy. I can tell. You alright?
Good work. Let me get that water, man. Come on. Let me get the waterfall, man. I was getting it, bro. I'm for water. Yeah, I just want to get this fair squabble. Ready?
Yeah, bro, tired.
Go. Protect yourself at all times. Round started.
Fight.
Take your time. Hey, come on. Take your time to turn.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He fighting back now.
Back for a second.
believe us hangouts where I'm from.
One minute.
Ooh, shit.
Come on. Stay busy.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Damn. Damn. So pushed him off the ring.
You done? I'm gonna throw up. You done?
Hold on now.
Alright, we're gonna take out. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5.
That boy
Six.
discombobulated.
9, 10. It's over with. Hey, it's over in a real way. Good shit, good shit.
Good. Good. You did your shit, bro. You just gotta work on that cardio, man.
Yeah, they gotta work on his breath.
In a real way. Stand up, bro. Stand up. Put your hands behind your head, bro.
Yeah, so open your
Inhale in
wind
your
up.
nose and exhale out your mouth.
Yeah, to open your wind up, dog.
Inhale. Take deep breaths, bro. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, bro. You good.
Yeah, just catch your breath, that's all.
You know what I'm saying? But how you
Damn,
put
this
on a
shit
hell
bright
of a
as fuck.
performance, bro. Much respect to you, man. In a real way, man.
Bro, shut the hell up. I do not care. You was chatting. Damn. Shit. Alexander, thank you for the sub.
Okay, good job.
In here, bro. That's what I hear, bro.
30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Let's go, babe.
In here, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, make it count. Don't back the seconds, 15 seconds.
Let's go, babe.
Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Oh, shit. He was, his head dropped. He could have sent that nigga out.
2, 1. All right.
Referee,
Not Reno.
What you mean?
no, nigga.
What's up?
Oh, shit.
Nobody worried about you. We can get out of there.
Can't start eating.
To be fair.
I don't want to stop. I can't. I'm not going to sit there with no stamina. I can't breathe.
Deep breath, deep breath.
Rescue? She knew to put the camera on him.
All right, y'all ready? Oh, you quit? Yeah. Damn. First free.
What you mean you just quit, bro?
Shit, he tired, bro. He
What you
tired.
mean? No, he gotta get up, bro. He gotta get up.
He tired.
The rap on some weak shit, bro.
What you mean some weak
You on
shit?
some weird shit,
Oh,
bro.
me and you could get it right now.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, here he go. Hey, here he go.
Yeah, for sure.
Why they give him another shirt? Why they give him another shirt?
Bro, come on, you gotta be confident, man. You can't be saying you're gonna lose or none of that shit. You gotta say, I'm finna bang this nigga. No. I'm finna bang this nigga, man. You know what I'm saying?
Pause. What you say?
He say he gonna bang it. That's no.
I'm from Cali, man. We don't do none of that Diddy call shit. You know what I'm saying? We bang niggas, man. You know what I'm saying? They always trying to turn it into something homosexual.
Y'all ready?
Y'all touch gloves. I'm gonna tell you, protect yourself at all times. Or if he put his hands down, that do not mean don't hit him. You keep hitting him till the round is over. You seen Floyd Mayweather do it plenty of times, knock people out when they wasn't ready, man. Protect yourself at all times. Come on, let's get jiggy, man.
Round one. Fight.
What the hell?
Off the rope, off the rope.
Watch your feet.
Okay? Get busy.
Oh shit! Beating his ass all over the road. Oh shit!
Keep your balance. 45 seconds.
In a real way.
In a real way.
Yeah, bro know how to protect himself on mine.
Don't waste all your energy out here.
20 seconds.
Good hit, good jab, good jab.
Niggas getting down now. I'm on it, man.
Come on, get busy.
Don't do that.
Get busy.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Damn. That's it. Keep going.
Good shit. All right, y'all got 35 seconds in the corners.
Good shit.
That was a good round.
You got some water, bro?
You about to get some right here, hold up.
Breathe. Breathe, man.
Breathe, man. In a real way.
I see this strategy. He went to that time. He go, you get attacking the bodies and shit, yo. All right, round two.
Thanks, man.
Go. All right, let's get it.
Round two. Fight.
Oh shit.
Hold on.
All right, go. Come on, man.
You see the vision?
Oh, good jab.
In and out.
Oh, good hook. Good hook.
Set it up. 1 minute. 1 minute. Woo. Counter. Slip and counter. 45 seconds.
Boy, get this Joe Lewis on.
Yeah.
Breathe.
40 seconds.
My boy fast up.
Ooh. That do-rag coming off.
Set it up.
Look at Dewey's
30
move.
seconds.
Oh shit. Oh, he knocked that hoe off.
Yup.
Oh shit.
Dunkin's $6 meal deal. Get 6 hash browns, sausage, egg, and cheese, medium coffee, only at Dunkin'.
As an older adult, I didn't want to spend all my time binge watching television, so I said, let me go back to school.
You see the vision? 15.
Bang.
13. Breathe. What's that nigga?
Throw them hoes.
Move.
Just do it. Thank you for the song.
Good shit.
Man, that was a good ass round. That was good.
Hey.
It's not even that niggas don't want it or nothing. Niggas can't breathe.
Y'all better lay off the weed, man.
Black
Lay off the
shit.
Nah, facts.
That's literally all it is. Can't breathe. Even going just 1 minute, 3 rounds.
You still fighting or you off?
Hey.
Round 3.
That's the round that count, man.
Patient, you got it, bro.
Breathe.
That's the money round.
Just move around that round if you got to. Move.
All right, y'all ready? All right, let's get it.
All right, y'all about to even. Y'all about even, man. This the one that count.
I'm not starting the clock to the first punch is thrown. I'm not starting the clock to the first punch is thrown.
All right, get busy. Start it now.
Bro, y'all want to start? All right, let's get it.
This the round that count, man. $1,000 on the table.
Don't let him push you into a stage. That's what he's trying to do.
I want that 1,000, man. Leave it right now. I know y'all trying to buy some weed after this.
Fairness Crown, thank you for the sub.
Come on. Get busy, man. This the one that counts. This the one that... Okay. Break. Stop the time. All right. Hold on. Reset, bro. Get in this corner. Y'all get in the corner, man. All right, ready?
All right, let's go.
Time. Come on. This the one that count, man. Get busy. Get off them ropes. Get off them ropes. Okay. Woo. Get off them ropes. Stay on him. Stay on him.
Start his energy.
Stay on him.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Somebody need to get busy. Somebody need to get busy. Real quick.
Get active. You start doing something. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
That combo
You win the round. You start doing something.
Somebody need to get busy.
Win the round.
Taking it home.
14.
Who taking it home? 12. Taking it home.
Just start throwing them. Hey, stand the bang. Oh, shit.
Alright, so look.
Good ass fight.
One more minute. They can do one more minute.
That was a tie. That was a tie. That was a tie.
Split the money on one more round.
30 more seconds.
Whoever gets the most noise.
Yeah, like ready to make noise.
All right, that's what we're going to do. Okay, everybody.
Nah, this could be biased as hell.
Split it. It don't matter. It don't matter.
Come on, we got 3 people here cheering for him. How the fuck is that gonna even make sense? All these friends of mine.
Honestly, bro, he hitting. He applying the pressure, but both fundamentals is right there, and he's still tapping back. So it's like a draw to me. I can't say who won because both started banging at the end and brought it back even. You feel me? 45 seconds. Bro, you gotta stay. You gotta stay, bro. When you didn't throw that punch, you should have threw that motherfucker.
45 more seconds, all right?
Show should have.
There's the money in the background.
All right, let's
Oh, yeah, we definitely get round 4. Fuck!
$1,000. Who going home with $1,000?
Oh, shit.
Who going home with $1,000?
They tweaking. OG over there trying to fuck him up.
He was trying to mess him up.
OG trying to fuck him up.
I'm sorry, Mike. I'm sorry.
Start the time back up. Bro, stay off them ropes.
Stay off the fucking rope. Right. Meet me in the middle. Meet me in the middle. Meet me in the middle. Bro, gotta stop using his body.
That nigga book. You ready? That's good. Y'all back up. Y'all 21. 20
shit. Josh Voight, thank you for the follow on Twitch. I appreciate you. Oh! Oh, shit! Ooh! Nah, I think he lost. He got that do-rag knocked off again.
Hold on, everybody. We got another legend in the building. You know what I'm saying? We got my big bro, CML Lavish D. You know what I'm saying? One of the hottest rappers in California in a real way. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to ask Bradesky, too. Bro, how do you feel about the squabble you just witnessed? What do you think? Which one of these gentlemen would you get a squabble to?
Man, shit, they were both doing their thing.
In a real way, they was both.
He had more power punches.
Yeah.
So he had more power punches. He had more combos. You know what I'm saying? It was neck and neck, though, for real, for real.
In a real way, man.
I think he for sure landed more, for sure.
For sure.
Definitely did. I ain't gonna lie, he definitely did.
We're gonna give it to bro. We're gonna give it to bro. But hey, just on some, hey, where bro at? Where other bro that was fighting? Hey, bro, I'm gonna give you some paper out of my own money, bro, on mama's.
He real for that.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It was too close to dictate. I'm gonna give you $200, bro.
You hurt. You mad you almost lost to a nigga that weighs 60 pounds less than you?
What the hell?
It don't matter. It don't matter, bro.
None of them can say nothing. They all quit.
He's still fighting.
They all
He's
quit.
still fighting, bro. Don't be no poor sport, bro. You tapped out. Bro, you tapped out, bro. Don't be no poor sport. For real, bro. Don't be no poor sport. He's still fighting.
Don't be no poor sports, bro.
I'm not. He said nothing.
Who is she? Hold on. My fault. Bro, you got your armed security officer? Oh, hell no. This nigga been lined up as hell.
He's still fighting.
Nah, facts.
This nigga bucks.
They can't say nothing. You can't quit and then want to say something.
You know box? You know box? Do I look like I box? Do I look like I box? Does it look like he box? You watching, nigga. You a watcher. Nigga, you hear my bitch. What is you talking about?
Come on, 20 now. Chill
Oh,
out.
shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Skitcher man, thank you for the song. Oh, shit.
You gotta resort to getting a hammer on the fade, you's a bitch, nigga. Period. Dead on me. You know what I'm saying?
Dead on me. In a real way.
He was gonna try to give out $1,000, but they done fucked it up. You know what I'm saying? Fucked up they been. So shit.
Hey man, you just got a free event, nigga. What you mean? On me. Free event.
We gonna give him 500,
That
man.
or Cali.
You know what I'm saying? In a real way. Hey, bro, I know you just came home. Moving forward in life, you know what I'm saying? Don't be a statistic to recidivism. You know what that is? You feel me? Going back to the pen, being a repeat offender, bro. Get involved in these trades.